Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know that Windows 11 tracks most of your activities and is quietly collecting data about almost everything you do? Your apps, your search history, your voice, even your typing patterns, it's all been collected. But here's the good news. You can track this down. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the unnecessary tracking and data collection. This is your ultimate privacy kill switch guide. If you value your privacy, you need to watch this video and follow the guide. In addition to privacy, this guide also delivers a faster, cleaner, and more secure PC. So, let's stop the tracking, reclaim your data, and take back control of your computer. Let's dive in. On your Windows 11 PC, open the Settings app. You can simply press Windows key plus I or just search for Settings in the search bar. Go to Privacy and Security. Now, this is where we will implement the privacy kill switch. First, click on Recommendations and Offers. Disable everything here. Starting from Personalized Offers, this gives you personalized tips, ads, and recommendations based on your Windows activity. This allows websites to access your language list. So we disable this. Improve start and search results. You disable this. So just disable the rest. This stops Windows from tracking your app usage to build a personal profile for advertising and suggested content. In other words, this prevents app launch logs, personalized ads, and no more background profiling. Next, navigate to the speech section. Disable online speech recognition. This prevents your spoken words and commands from being uploaded to Microsoft Cloud servers for processing. Your dictation data stays local for better privacy. Now go to inking and typing personalization. Also disable this also. This stops Windows from learning your unique typing style and vocabulary, which are highly sensitive pieces of data. In other words, your keystroke now stays local and they are yours. Next, go into Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send optional diagnostic data. Also, turn off Improve inking and typing. This is already off. Also, turn off View diagnostic data. You can also delete diagnostic data. Now, set feedback frequency to never. These settings shuts down Windows' deepest data collection, system logs, app usage, personalization algorithm, all off. It prevents that data from being used for personalized ads and wipes all historical telemetry. Next, go into Search. Turn off Search History. Windows basically goes through your files to index them, supposedly to make search faster, but we all know how very slow finding files through the File Explorer is. Most of us have to resort to using third-party tools to find files. And then turn off this Search My accounts for both Microsoft accounts and your work or school accounts. Turn off Let Search Apps Show Results. And that's it. Disabling all this ensures that your searches stay local. Nothing you type in the search bar ever leaves your PC. You are stopping Windows from creating and syncing a complete timeline of every document and website you have accessed. Next, go to Find My Device. Now, this is a gray area, and you have to weigh the benefits versus the security implications. Find My Device could help with finding your device if it's stolen. It does this by having your device consistently ping its GPS location to Microsoft servers. If you use a desktop, you may want to toggle this off. If you use a laptop that you are constantly moving about, well, you may want to give it a consideration. Just be aware that your device is constantly pinging its location to Microsoft servers. For me, I am going to turn this off. Now, this is the last section we will consider for today, app permissions. Under location, you may want to turn the location services off for the entire device. So you toggle this off. However, if you absolutely need this for some services and apps, then toggle it on, and then selectively toggle it on only for those services and apps. It should be disabled for all other apps. So I'm going to toggle this off because I don't want any app using my location. This is the most crucial step for physical privacy. It completely stops applications from tracking your location. Now, repeat the same action for these other tools and features, namely camera, microphone, and others. Basically, you need to select each feature and specify which apps on your PC have access to them. This is essential to control what apps can and cannot do on your PC. And that's the quick walkthrough. You have now implemented an optimal privacy settings for Windows 11. Remember, your digital data is yours and you just took back control of it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.